Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn how to create Dockerized NodeJS with the MySQL database. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In the previous one we have done with the Node.js application, how we are using the Docker Compose to create a Node.js application and whatever the changes we are going to do in my local machine automatically reflecting, right? Now we are going to do with the MySQL database because once you have installed the MySQL with the container, when you restart your system or stop that one, it automatically destroy. Okay, when the next time. So I want to make my data to be persist in the volumes. So we are going to use that one. Okay, so let's go and update our code. Those who haven't watched my previous video, let's watch it. Now we are going to make the volume with a MySQL. Okay, so here I'm going to create that one. So let's go and add this Docker Compose YML file for the MySQL and the Node.js at the same time. Okay, so here we go with this one. So volumes, let me, so which volumes we are using? Volume is basically Node app. Build is basically the volume is like this. So I need to update this one. Let me update this one code. So here we have the volumes with this, and node app will like build this. Okay, and the MySQL I want to run on this port number 7 because 3306 already occupied. Okay, so here I'm going to add the root password is to be a password, and the DB name should be let's take an example of MySQL DB. Okay, and volumize with the varlib MySQL default directory is that one, and driver local. Okay, let's copy and paste this. Go to the Docker file, update this file. Okay, this is done. Port number, everything is binding, right? MySQL latest we are going to pull port, and the MySQL username and the password is all to set go. Okay, so let's first detach and let's go and this one. So first of all, what we have to do, so here we have the one option, that is first of all we have, I think there is a command that make it down first. Okay, so I'm going to make it sudo docker compose down. Okay, now we're going to compose up. So here you can see that with the MySQL and everything, initialization is there. Okay, so let's see whatever the database which we have added, it's coming over here or not. Let's go and check this one. So it's, you can see that is starting and everything. Okay, so here we have to go with docker execute with interactive. I need a bash command, right, to check the MySQL, the username password is working or not, and the database is created or not with this one. Okay, so let's go and just control shift T, open the new terminal. Let's add the sudo and this one docker interactive. I need a container ID. So first of all we need to go with the sudo docker ps. Okay, so here whatever we have a MySQL, this is our MySQL part. So let me add this one. So let's go and it's container name or container ID because I need a bash, right? So this is container IDs, right? So with the interactive sudo docker executive, and here I need to put my MySQL. Okay, and here I need a bash, right? So let's add the bash one. I'm here now. I'm going to connect with my MySQL root, and let's enter my password. So I'm logged in. Set show databases. Here you can see currently what I have done, MySQL DB. So here you can see that the MySQL DB is attached over here, and you can see what this is done with the help of the volume. So whatever databases I have created over here, whether I going to restart it, whether it's to do whatever, it is always there. The data would be persisting over the MySQL, whether it's to be a Node.js application. If I do any kind of changes in the Node.js application, here you can see, if I go to the Node.js application here, Dr. Rajni, to my YouTube channel. Okay, if I try to save this and running over here, you can see here, if I go with SS to RR, saving this one, automatically it reflecting, right? So everything is working. This is Docker volumized thing is done with the MySQL with the Node.js application. Okay, so this is done. Next we are trying to import the DB. So currently whatever we are just creating the MySQL part, right? So here in the Docker file, Docker compose file, we are just creating the environment for the root. But what the thing happen, like I want to import the DB. I have the DB, right? I want to import that one. So how I'm going to do that? So in the next video, we are going to learn how to import the DB with the help of the Docker compose YML. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.